With climate change, ocean plastics, Black Lives Matter, gender inequality, mass refugee migration, deforestation, rising sea levels and systemic poverty, never has the need to tackle these issues been more relevant. And now we have COVID-19, which has slowed the world economy and stopped business as usual in its tracks. As we move toward the recovery phase, many are focusing on rebuilding and reinventing the way we do business. This is also the time for corporations to work together to build back better. The purpose of this book is therefore inseparable from the current and escalating need for renewed purpose in both our business and personal lives, and in our responsibility to act on the situation that surrounds us. At the same time, we enter the fourth industrial revolution and usher in the new era, Globalisation 4.0. In this context, committing to social and environmental change has never been more urgent, and corporate responsibility is evolving as a consequence. Matching this need was the January 2020 theme of the World Economic Forum. Its founder, Professor Schwab, emphasised that 2020 would be the year to reimagine purpose and track progress toward the Sustainable Development Goals. With stakeholder capitalism as a key theme of the forum, the move away from shareholder capitalism seemed near. However, we now realise that the narrative from shareholder to stakeholder won't happen overnight. A deep transformation is required for business and society. These wicked challenges and issues that surround us can be tackled at a local level and go national, then global, in the attempt to scale up for greater coverage of each challenge. At the very core of going global is the corporate organisation. Their extensive global supply chains will force them to become more accountable for their impacts in the global communities where they operate. The introduction of the UN SDGs has helped escalate this movement, calling for corporations to collaborate with governments, civil servants, NGOs and more, and do this at scale in needy sectors and developing countries. Recent research, however, suggests these targets may not be met by the UN 2030 deadline, with the SDGs requiring rapid impact investment, innovation and an entire ecosystem change, which requires a new type of responsibility. This book allows readers to understand these topics in detail and embrace this responsibility. Backed by academic research and literature from the business community, including practical case studies throughout, this book places purpose at the centre of responsibility, focusing on innovation and value in a new systems approach. A special focus of this book is the emerging research opportunities and the direction this provides, in the hope that we march forward in this journey together.